Guys, what's up and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to do an unboxing video of my fidget spinners. I'll tell you the whole story. First of all, wait for it. Let's start. So guys, I'll tell you the whole story. I went to Lily yesterday. I bought a fidget spinner. I thought it was good, but no quality. I wasted 15 dirhams. Man, I can't, I was so, I don't know why. I wasted 15 dirhams. That means low dollars, but rupees. Okay. Then, from souk.com, my thing came. But the golden one didn't came. That was the most one which I was looking forward for. But that didn't came. It's okay. Because I'm a boy who adjusts always. Okay. So I got the another one. Yes, it is not the correct one which is shown in the picture, but still I like this. Good quality. I'll show you. I'll show you once. Isn't that cool? Enough. When my eye goes, this will stop. My eyebrows. So, let's go to the unboxing. Then I went to day today. I went to day today. I bought two fidget spinners. Let's unbox them. I'm not gonna show you which color. It went down. Nothing happens. Let's see, white color. It makes noise, but I like it. It's faster too, man. Wow, that's awesome, really. But I'm not giving marks as the first one because it's more slightly different because that is great. Man, what else? Isn't that amazing? Yes or no? That's awesome. I like it. Haha. Let's unboxing. This time of course you saw blue color. Is it good or bad? I can't understand. Wait. I think I'm too slow. Wait. Let me do it so faster. It's not faster as the white, but still, it's good, not bad. Wow. Okay, that's good. I like it. That was awesome. Yeah, I like it. What else do you want? What else do you want? Look at that. Hi guys. That's awesome. I like it. Man. Adil got this. Wait. Yo. Okay. The white one is good too. Blue and white, yeah, both are good. I'm saying like that. Oh man. A cell sign. This one. This one. He gets 10 out of 10. This one. 9 out of 10. This one. 9 out of 10. 9.5 out of 10. Let's keep like that because, yeah, that's not a big difference, small difference. What baby is this? From soup.com. Okay. So, post your opinion down. Out of 10, how much marks you're gonna give for this all? Be honest. That's it. Other blogs, thousands, and how much you're gonna give. You can tell your wish. For everyone, it's different. I'm telling it's like this. You can tell, you may have different. I may have different. It's all about. And yeah. And this is not a fidget spinner, you know. This is a hand spinner. You know what's hand spinner? Accelerator. Wait, baby. This is a box of a hand spinner. Hand spinner. Like what? This one. This was in this. And this is hand spinner, right? Hand spinner. And this is fidget spinner. Fidget. Waste. I'm doing a giveaway. Waste. That's my giveaway. Next giveaway. So that is it. I'm gonna wrap up today's video here. If you enjoyed, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. And go Turkey. Adam Saleh. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Sal Vlogs is signing out.